Hello everyone, welcome to our channel ERPZEN, your go-to channel for everything in Oracle Fusion Cloud. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to log in into Oracle Fusion instance. Before you start, make sure that you have a valid Fusion Cloud URL, your name and password, your username and password. In real time, this information is usually provided by your system administrator or security team. Once you open your browser and paste the URL provided, this will take you to the Oracle Fusion landing page. Copy the URL and paste it in any of your ERP and SCM cloud login. Here it is prompting me to enter username and password. Now we will enter username and password. Copy the username, copy the password also. Now jump onto your login page. Now here enter your username, enter your password. Now hit sign in. If you are unable to log in, please check whether the URL is correct, if your credentials are active, or try resetting your password. To quickly recap, get your login URL and credentials. Open the link in your browser, enter your username and password, click sign in to access the Oracle Fusion instance. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel ERPZEN, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.